Hi guys, Tom Aldridge here from Suburban Pest Management. We hope that you're enjoying the new improvements to your home, or at least that they're coming along nicely for you. We're so glad that your builder trusted us enough to carry out the termite protection during your renovation. We put together this quick video to explain that whilst we have installed some termite protection to the new construction areas, the rest of the building may remain susceptible to termite attack. And we would hate for all of that hard work during the renovation to be undone by nasty termites. You see, we visit an average of 3 homes per day with termite activity, so we know only too well the damage that they can do. And it can be devastating, especially when you've just spent thousands of dollars improving the home, only for termites to cause substantial damage. Because we were referred by your builder, I wanted to give you a special offer by waiving our normal call-out fee and arrange a time to meet you on site to assess the property free of charge. We offer a no obligation catch-up to assess the property on what termite protection may have been installed in the past, what the current risk of termite attack might be, and then give you options on what you can do moving forward. If you would like to take advantage of our special offer, simply book online by clicking on the link in the email, or give us a call or reply to the email and we'll happily arrange a suitable time to meet with you. We look forward to hearing from you and helping keep your home free from termite attack.